I think we are, let's check. Yeah, we are live. Yeah, finally, I think we are in. Okay, this is bigger than what I thought. I should make this a bit smaller. And yeah, let's get this to the top. Okay, I think this will work. Let's check. Yeah. Transform. Okay. Yeah, I think we are live, and let me just get this down and let's check. We do have landing page here for the design that we are going like to build, and yeah, so this is the design that we do have for Optikal so far. It's, I think I have done this, by the way. I have done this myself, so it's not like that. I think it's good, but if there is like any issues or whatever, so just I apologize about it because I tried like to do my best here. So this is the hero section. It's minimal. It shows like the dashboard of our application and some brands that we do have. Also, we do have like some features, and yeah, I didn't have time like to just screen some images from each feature and put it here, but it's an easy thing to do. So because we are going like to do this wireframes in the features, and you can just replace, we can replace them later with actual images. So the design is simple, pretty clean, shows features, and have done like three main things for each feature with title and its description. So here we do have like more or less the features that we do have, and the main features actually in the application. I have done like this minimal features here, and you can click on show more. You go to the features page where we have listed all the things related to our application and the features that we do have in it. And here we do have like we do have the this screen or this uh, div actually with those features. Maybe like I want to show something here, like for example what you can do, and uh, by like just clicking on each tab differently. So yeah, I think we are so far here on the frequently asked questions. I have like put it here as much as possible, and we do have this section for get in touch. For example, if you do have some questions, that we will redirect you to the contact us page. And pretty simple, the CTA section, call to action, that we do have like this: get started with Optikal today, and description that says schedule demo to see how Optikal can streamline your operations and elevate your practice. And you can basically click here, schedule demo, and the plan, like I will have an iframe for an application that called call.com, and basically is like just to schedule uh, meetings or calls. And I'm going like to put the iframe inside our application. So I'm going like to have a page, inject the iframe, and we can like schedule inside our application. And finally, we do have this footer with like pretty much uh, like those links here, and as well this um, subscription email list. And yeah, pretty much it's pretty simple. And yeah, so I think that's what we are going like to build today. I have done this design myself with the help of some UI components that I have changed. So I'm not designer, but I'm trying like my best to be in the path. Like sometimes you don't have the resources to do to hire like a designer, get someone to do the job, and so you have enforced like to do it yourself. That's it. And yeah, I think we need to go back to work, to the actual work, where I'm going like to have the Optikal application opened. So we are using Laravel and Docker with the Laravel. So pretty much this, and yeah, I'm going like just to open the Docker, and then I think I should go to optical.test. Sorry guys. So this is the landing page that we do have. It's in French and it's a mess. A lot of things here that I don't feel like it's good for users. It has a lot of pages. It's not meaningful at all, at least for me. I'm not sure if someone will agree or not, but yeah. And here we go. I need like to go to the terminal. Let's close this. Do have a lot of things opened. Yeah, so open the VS Code here. And yeah, I think we are ready to start our journey. Start doing the actual code, actually. So I think the first page that I should go. Okay, so yeah, I think we have everything like to start our coding. Not sure how is the 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 sound or my voice actually. If someone like here on live, I can just rate the voice from 1 to 10, so I can like get an idea what's going on. And yeah, so I appreciate it, and thanks for everyone for joining this live. So we are going like to build the new landing page for Optikal. That is this landing page that we have uh, shown before. It's pretty simple, straightforward, not that it's not complicated at all, for at least for someone like who has some experience in Laravel, TailwindCSS, and yeah, you can, especially TailwindCSS, you can do this easily if you do have the design and the assets to build something like this. So yeah, we are going like to try to do something for, yeah, I didn't mention, for this tab or this features tabs or pages tabs, whatever you can name it. We are going like to use Alpine.js, since I do have Alpine already in the project, so it's for JavaScript interactions. I'm going like to use this Alpine for this section, as well for the FAQ questions. So like just click open and close. So that's pretty much what we are like going to use in JavaScript. Later on, like for this hero, like for example, if someone clicks here, I need like to show a model with like something YouTube video or whatever, and yeah, so in this page, this is all what we have in JavaScript. Yeah, I think let's open the VS Code and just remove everything that we do have here for the home page. Let me just go here. So this is the project. It has a lot of directories. I tried like, but let's just close. Or for example, this is the okay, tenant. We don't need this. All the work will be in the web directory. We do have the pages, and yeah, the layout is this one. I'll try like to remove everything. For example, if I save this and go back to optikal.test, there is no navigation at all. So yeah, let's get rid of all the things that we do have. For example, here we do have at the home page. Okay. Let me just. It's been a while since I didn't like do any changes on the Optikal landing page since I built this in, I think, last year, the first, like I remember May or April, something like this. When I launched this landing page, I didn't change it at all. So yeah, okay. So guys, please, if the sounds is good, someone can just type something, the rating for the the sounds, how it looks like. If it's bad, then we need like to change something, and I'm here like we can at least do yeah. So let me check if we do have everything here. This is, yeah, it's the page, so we need like to change all of the things on it. Demo link, so I will keep this in resource. So for example, if you click here, you go to this call page where it's like you can select you can schedule a call, but we need like to inject this in our application. Looking for okay. I think I need like to remove everything from here, so we don't need it at all. Okay, I think this one, 2, and voila, we do have everything goes away. Okay, so we need footer to change this, but we'll go like later to this. So for our navigation, I'm going like its name, header tag, go to Figma and see what we need here. So we need like for this section, we need like logo and this navigation centered in the center, and we need at the end of you know, the right corner, we need like contact us button and login. So this will be like let me check. I do have one thing like to get the, because we need image here, like assets, and I think images, if I remember well. What is the logo? Public, and okay, it's not here. I think on the tenancy images we do have assets, images, and we do have the logo. So this one we need, so tenancy asset. On PHP Storm, like it gives tenant asset. I think this helper will get the and we do have images, we do have what else? Fuck, I was in mute. Oh, done. At least can someone like mention this? But let me check. I need like to check in my device if the sounds is, at least we do have some sound here. Hello? We are live. Let me check. Okay, I may need to. Oh, done. So I think let's check. Just close. How is the? No, I wasn't in mute at all. So done. So Let's check. No, I wasn't in mute. So yeah, let's go back to work since everything works fine. Yeah. I need one more thing. Just bear with me, guys. I need like to delete the video that I have done first when everything was bad. So I need to remove that. And to do this, I need to go to YouTube Studio and remove that one because it doesn't make sense. We were like just trying to go live and we did it at the end, but whoa, we got 1 like on it, so appreciate it, guys. Oh, done. Okay. Okay, dokie. So yeah. Save. And we are back. So yeah, let me just apologize, guys, for the things that happened right now. So we are back like to go and do the actual code. So I need like just to get the changes that I have made on the navigation. So pretty much this tag right here. So this will help to move quickly since we have at least some delays. Okay, yeah, I want this, and we do have centered navigation that will be like this, and I think we do have features, yeah, home, features, pricing, and yeah, let me just go to the web route, and I think we do have something here called home, features, and pricing. Maybe the pricing I have, yeah, let's get this back. So we do have route and home, so yeah, let's see if this works. Yeah, so we will duplicate this and features, pricing, features, pricing. Yeah, so I think we have made this. We need another div for contact us page link, and for okay, let's do route contact web. Yeah, I have named this contact, and yeah, and we do have this. Let's make this link as well to the login page, and pretty much. So now we are going like to do some flex and item center, justify between. So this will place sorry guys, This will place the content that we do have in a flex box, and it will be the same as we do have here in design. I need to make okay 200, so this I need like to add this. Okay, class and width 200 pixel. I have done this statically. Okay, pricing is not defined. I like to see the errors. So what I'm going to do is just since we have changed the route file in Laravel, you need like to run the clean command or the optimize command just to get the updated routes. So all what I'm going to do is cell artisan optimize, and if we refresh the page, everything will be back to the normal. All right. Okay, so something wrong here because it's not okay. We do have this, but I think we need another thing is cell npm run watch. So this will compile all the assets that we do have, and yeah, so we can like okay, everything is good now. We should see the changes. Oh, done. Yeah, I got the why this is happening because on the layout app file we do have the CSS and the JavaScript is okay. Where is the assets? Yeah, so guys bear with me. I'm going like just to remove these things because we don't need this. So I think we need to do something like since the tenancy app built with CSS, so all what we need is this, and here we go. We should have the Tailwind back here, not the endif again. What is the issue? I think yeah, this one. Not sure if someone like okay. What's going on, guys? Yeah, weird. But we do have flexbox somewhere here, so it's not okay. I'll just remove this footer so we don't get all those issues like let's check this 200 pixel. Okay, let's do one thing here, for example this class should work. So okay, let's try 14 for example. Yeah, 14 works fine. 40 works fine. Yeah, that's why. So as I said in the beginning, so if all the classes are right, then we should have something more or less in this range. And yeah, now let's check the space between those links, for example, and get an idea of not sure how this works in Figma, but I'll just do one thing, for example, here. So it's around 57 pixel, and if we just divide this by 4, 57 by 4, we should have, okay, I think we can do something like, okay, class space x, space in the x-axis to, let's say, 12, for example, and check, even though it should be more than what's going on? Something weird with this Laravel classes, Tailwind classes, but it's, what I see here is we do have 8. I think without like having all this chaos, let's see, I think this will work fine as well, so let's not and I need pop-in. Let's go to Google Fonts and get pop-in. Here we need pop-ins, and yeah, I think to install this, okay, yeah, get font, embedded code, I think import will be fine. Let me check. CSS web, it uses Tailwind, that's nice, but we do need something else. For example, sorry guys for those noise that comes from the background, because okay. But so I think the easiest thing to implement Tailwind with Google Fonts, instead of let me just do the link. Sometimes it's not good for production, but yeah, as an indie maker or a solo founder, you can do all the time the things that is similar to this. So okay, and just go back here, and so if, for example, I want to give everything, this needs to be in style tag, and text, what, okay, you can just do font family, for example, and give it font family, and we do poppins serif or let's see if everything will work fine. Yeah, we do have poppins finally here. So yeah, I think those links needs to be text decoration, I think. So sometimes all what you need to do is just go to, this is how I'm doing things because I'm not remembering everything, and all what I need to do is just go, for example, text decoration. This is okay, and yeah, links, and just search for something and it will give you, for example, come here, not so yeah, basically those are not the important things, but if you know how to do these things, then yeah, you can basically, okay, this is text decoration, so we go here and no underline. So this is what you need to do. For example, let's go back to the navigation component and go, I think if we have this grouped, it will work. No. Okay. Some classes are working like if you group them. And so we need like to do something like this. And hopefully this will do the job. No, it didn't. Why? Why? So basically this should work, but since something is not correctly done on the Tailwind CSS part, it's still giving us these things. So I need like to check. I do have Tailwind here and resources, web. Okay, so I think it's included here. Thanks, Kieran. Yeah, so we need like to go back and check this part right here. No underline, it's not working. Yeah, basically. Okay, those are the weird things that I have seen, and it happens all the time. For example, sometimes like you work on a the easiest thing that you can imagine. You know how you can fix this, but you get, like, for example, weird errors or things that you should fix, like, to go to the next step. So we can't, like, just do something, for example, and except if we change the anchor tag here to the, for example, UL, but it will not be a button, or like it will redirect us to somewhere else. So yeah, what we do, for example, here, no, I will check for theme, and we shouldn't. So yeah, I think we need to change this and not extend anything. And yeah, I think on the, we do have on the app.css, we do have the Tailwind directives, and voila, I think this is all what we should have. And so npm run dev, and let's compile this and check again, because this should make things, work as per Tailwind documentation. And cell npm run watch to keep this live. Oh, done. Oh. Some of the classes works and some of them truly didn't work. Okay, web. Oh, what is this web about? Let's go to webpack, Tailwind config, and let's remove this. And yeah, I think we may need to change the link of, let's see, this resources and CSS directory, if it has. Okay, yeah. Oh, we don't have. Okay, we do have CSS, we do have app.css. Okay, sounds good. Then I think let me just go back here and check if we do have time. I will do like check for the helper, like tenant. Okay, I think we do have this here, so it's correct. Sorry guys. Oh, done. Finally we do have this fixed. So I think now we can move to the next things that we do have. So for example, we do have some spacing here, and we do have some spacing on the corners. So what we are going to do here is go here and class space x. Let's give it the same as, more or less. I will do 6, and for this I will do max width 7xl, something like this. And this will prevent, and yeah, we need to do mx auto to make it on the center. Yeah, we have done at least some progress. Noises are everywhere with those bikes, so we need some spacing, I think, on the top. For example, some padding like py4 will be good enough. Okay, and we need to style this login button. For example, let's give it bg indigo 500. Okay, let's go back here, and I think the font is base, and the font base, and text font bold, sorry guys, and text base, text white as well. So if we, and we need like rounded corners, so rounded, let's do LG, will give us, okay, this is, we need like in between. For example, I have done here 10, not sure how 12 will be. Okay, let's give it 12 and refresh the page. It should work. Okay, makes sense. We need, but I think the color is not. So what I'm going like to do is just change, for example, okay, I need okay, I think I need to do something here. For example, colors, and add primary and give it this value, for example. So yeah, and change this to PG primary. But I think before that, I think I need to recompile the assets. If yeah, no need for that. So the padding here, I think we need some sort of padding like in the y and the x axis. So for example, let's do py, for example, 4 and px 6, and refresh the page, and we should have the button sorted out. But I still see the corner is not changed. For example, here we do have okay, XL. That will give us the value like 12 pixel on the edges. Alright, so we do have something. I think on the x-axis we need more padding to make it at least, for example, let me check how much we do have on the width. We do have 100, and if we check this, it's 92. So I think let's add something like 8 will do the job, like 32. So it's 64 plus the text length, so it should be 100. Okay, 108. So that's fine, I think. for at least for us, it's better. So this is, I don't think this is okay. This is medium. So this is okay. Let's add, for example, here font medium. There is some difference between this. So I think font medium. Oh, yeah. So this works, and voila, we do have the header section as we have designed here. So for now we need like this hero section, and to do this I would like to have component for it. For example, we'll go here, a lot of components. So I'm going to make new file called hero blade.php and just do, for example, hero, and come back to the index.blade, and yeah, okay, we do have web dot hero, not here, dot hero, and we should have the hero text here. Okay, yeah, here is it. So let's do something like, for example, main tag, and do max 7XL on the width, and mx auto. We may need to change this later on, because we do have some, this design, for example, takes it's on the corners, and we shouldn't have this max 7XL. Yeah, we will look later at this. All what we need right now is to build this. So yeah, I think we need this text. It's 52 pixel, and let's make, for example, each one, and yeah, let's give it, for example, text 5 pixel dot okay, 48, and we do have 52, so I think 6XL will do the job. Oh no, okay, I think, can we do arbitrary value, for example, here pixel, and yeah, this will work. Arbitrary values good, but not all the time. And yeah, I think we need to make this bold, font bold, and text center, maybe need this. Yeah, here we go. And yeah, I think let's give this max width of, we do have, okay, let's go back, for example, and yeah, let's give it, okay, class max width, let's do 3XL, MX Auto. 3XL is, yeah, this will do the job. It's almost similar to this value, for example. 72, we do have 27. Yeah, let's keep it like this, and we'll do some paddings on the x-axis to make it in the center. Okay, so 72, 27. We need something around 50. Okay, let's do this. Bx and 40. No, this is too much actually. We need something around 60, 16. And even though it should be bigger. Yeah, I think. Okay, let's go back. For example, into px. Okay. Digital world. Yeah, this will work. Yeah, px 1. And we need some we need padding on the top and the bottom. For example, let's do POI 32 and this I don't think all this space are needed. Maybe we can just do something like 24 and yeah, 24 I think will be good for us. And yeah, I think we need a button, schedule demo, and we need those texts. So yeah, let's do this. And button, schedule demo, and we need dev with okay, let's make it b tag, for example 14 days free trial span, yeah, and p tag for now created card required, and yeah, class flex items, and why I have done the item ends to make this button at the will be horizontally with the text, for example. And what is the color? Is this cry 500? Okay, so text gray 500 and font regular, or no need for it. It's by default it should be regular. Okay, yeah, and we need some space on the x-axis. For example, it's the 4, and we should have some space between those, and the button should be pg primary text white and font medium or bold. I think bold. Yeah, bold. font bold and py 4 peaks 8 we have done on the login button, but yeah, and we should have rounded XL as we have done for this. So on the design it's like in between LG and XL, so I have done the XL. So this should be on the center. So to make it on the center, let's do class. And yeah, let's see this. And just okay. Okay, so I think let's make something like, for example, left. Okay, so the easiest way, instead of it, just go flex and flex call and justify center. This should solve the problem that we are looking for. Okay, this one. Okay, if this justify center as well, and the button should be with fit mx auto. Yeah, so this will work. And justify center. This is great so far. So we need like some space in between this section and button in this text. So space y in the y-axis. Let's have 3 here, and yeah, let's have also some spacing in the y-axis, for example 4, and we should at least split between those, so it's fine. And let's check this text. Yeah, we do have base as well, so 16 is text base on TailwindCSS. Otherwise you can, like, if you want like to check the text, you can just go here, font size, and text base is 1 rem 16 pixel. That's fine. Let's see what we are missing here. I think schedule. Yeah, I think all what we need is like background for optician. So this background right here, for example. So we need like to export the asset. Yeah, it's this linear right here. I'm going like to export this as an SVG. Let's see SVG and how. Oh, done. Okay, so only the shadow. Export, open, And yeah, I need like an SVG because I want only the code. No need like to go and get the PNG inside the public folder and yeah, go. So I'm doing like, sometimes I feel like I'm lazy to copy the code, so all what I need. Even though it's long, but yeah, I think I need to do div here and does this works? I don't think so. Okay, so let's see what result we do have, and we can update this later on. Here we go. So we need to make this absolute. Sorry guys, I'm a bit sick these days, so yeah, absolute and alt F. Let's play a bit with it here. So for example, what's up? Oh, damn. What is this? If we done this, I'm not sure if we need like to do some. This will go with. I know what's going on, but yeah, I think the easiest way to do it without going into all this trouble is I will do a dev here, and I think So for the current design that we do have, we should have this implemented, and we'll just position this on the top and the right. So if we go to the shadow and add, for example, top 0 and right 0, it should go directly to the if we want like to make it, for example, let's say 4 maybe. Yeah, so that's the easiest way to do it. So for example, top 0 and right, let's make it, for example, 10 probably. That's well, make it at the end of the text. Alright, so I think negative, let's say 6 will be fine. So we'll have the shadow under the entire optician's text, as we do have here. So we forward the same thing that we have designed. Yeah, so we are almost done with the header. We need this asset. So yeah, we need to export the entire this is the header, right, illustration, and this is the content. Down. Okay, this entire group should be here. So we'll export this as PNG, and yeah, we should have something like this. Close this, and let's go and make another div here, image, and let's just get this and change later. For example, I'm going like to place it as hero. Now, so I need like to go to the tenancy directory, assets, images, and yeah, I need to place it somewhere here. So I need like to go to the finder, okay, and just copy and paste here. No, I'm not allowed like to paste. Close this. Hero. Okay, let's do here one. And yeah, drag assets or the image here, and yeah, I think we are done with this. If we go, we should have now the image placed down here. Okay, this happens. Web, we shouldn't get this web, but instead let's do tenant asset and this. Yeah, tenant asset, and we should go to images and hero.png. This is the correct path. I'm not wrong again. But yeah, I hope I'm not wrong this time. So yeah, I think we have the image here, and yeah, it's the space between this, the text, and the image is too long, so we will check. So this is from the image itself. When we exported the hero, we have this group. If we check, we do have the image and the ply. I think it's the same thing. Okay, let's just get back this. AG. Yeah, this background, we need to reduce this one because it takes too much space between this section and this one. So yeah, I think I'm going to come up with solution again. It's really hard to be in a stream and do the code. It's the first time actually I'm doing it, and yeah, I'm still not used to just start talking live. And yeah, so I hope this will get better over time. Let's do this. This is only for the quality, but doesn't have anything to do. All right. So if we this section, let's just remove, get back this, and group this. Still we do have. have done something weird. Let's group this selection. No. So yeah, let me just go here and just do another. That is merging. So I can have just thinking about like what the best option, but yeah, I think I'm going like to go with some merging on the top, for example like 8. Hopefully we can let's see. Or let's do it on the actual image itself. So it's not on the div, and see. Yeah, this is even better than what was before. We see like the image is not on the same width. It should be like, no, that's the size that we got on it. Watch this. This is 880 and this is 672. Why? Because of this. 2XL, and we'll free up everything. So that's why I said that we need to come back later with this and wrap everything again. So hopefully we can see the changes, and we keep the header here. For example, like we need this to be on the top image, even though the image is not having okay, let's change the width of the image. I think maybe for having the 2 on 3 will be 3 on 4. Yeah, 3 on 4 would be good. So 3, 4. And we center the image. So this, I think, better, and we need to have really some margin on the top. 12 is not enough. So I may go with 24. Oh, down. Shite. 32. Maybe this is, yeah, it's better. It's better actually. And let's do, for example, cursor on the image. So cursor pointer. So the user, for example, if he will go to this section, it will show like clickable section. Yeah, so like this. If we go, you can click, and the model of the video will show up. So now we need to build this brands section. So for brands section, let's go to this and brands, and yeah, just create new component called brands.blade PHP, and yeah. So for this we need this text, and yeah, 400. So I think separate this. Let's go with P, and to have text bold 21, I think. Let's see, text LG will be 18, yeah, Excel 20. Yeah, let's keep it LG, Excel, and font bold, text gray 400. This will give us the same, and for this one we'll have the brands, those images. I think I do have them somewhere. For example, yeah, let me check. Not sure, but I have downloaded this images before, so I need like to do it one more time. Optikal and Vision Express, Vision Express, Optikal and Indo. Right. Copy the assets, and we need like to go back again to the images, and no, we can't paste, so just drag over here. Okay, so let's get rid of this and change the name. So here we'll have image and asset and images. For example, we do have Indo PNG, yeah, Optikal and Vision Express. yeah, let's see what we do have here. So yeah, so far we got them right here. So we need to make it as per design. So yeah, this flex to center, and it's for now. This is enough. We can come back later. This item center. We got a comment from Pradhan. Broadly stream in 1080 pixel. Oh, sorry, bro. So, like, I do have camera here with 4K. Not sure if something on settings. It's the first time actually I'm doing a stream, and not sure how the result is. And yeah, I'm sorry if there is like any issues on the stream, but I do have here Logitech 4K, and I'm trying like to do as much as I can. But so for now, I'm going to go to the settings and see what's wrong. Okay. Oh. That's bad actually, just to get like the quality is bad. So yeah. So I think I need like to go somewhere here on the settings, and yeah, stream maybe. So I do have you cannot change the settings when you are live. Done. I think the output. Video. Oh, done. So yeah, it's you're doing. Thank you, Pradhan. So the monitor is I'm using Max 16-inch, so I think this will work. The I'm using like the same monitor on the laptop. Okay. But I promise next time this will be like better, because once I'm done with the live, I will go and watch how to configure this and do multiple tests. It's been like more than a year or two. I didn't like do any streams or videos, so I forgot totally about it, and I just come back with I will do next live and start from there, because I want to do some content, but it's been like a while when nothing happened. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm like, I will keep it like this and see if this will work. Okay, let's drag this. All right. Let's try. Okay. I apologize again. So yeah, it's it's the first experience doing live. I didn't do it before. Yeah, let's get back to work. And yeah, we were here making those images like in a flex horizontally. So we need some space in between them. Space, x-axis, let's do for example 8 and test. Yeah, thanks, Pradan. No worries. It happens actually. So I need like to get used to it. So for this we need justify between, like for example I can make the width for each section like 1 3 2 3 for this. Let's see, 1 3 and width 2 3 done, and justify between. Should make this working. Yeah, and we need to center the entire. Okay, let me just do something that I will remove later on, is the padding on the bottom. For example, let's do 40. So this is just to be able like to scroll down when I need, like for example it's on the bottom, I can't check what's going on. So yeah, it's better than before. So this is yeah, if we need like yeah, thanks Pradan. Have a good time and thanks for all the feedback, so I appreciate it. Maybe you can, and I promise next time we will have better quality and configuration than what we have right now, so we can enjoy it together. So yeah, I think let's check design. Yeah, I think this works, but this is not bold actually. How is that? This is not. Maybe we can do semi-bold. Yeah, let's go with semi-bold. thank you, buddy, for it. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks. I think we are now like, let's see, you are the one who left for making like 650. Yeah, thank you. I think now it's better having this semi-bold, and yeah, I think we need like to go to this. Yeah, it's better. Let's have the features section right now. So this. Yeah, we are like in. Yeah, we are 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour 40. That's too much, actually, and still a lot of work to do. So let's see what we can make. Let's go and build features. Since we do have two sections that shows features, not sure if we can like do them in one component or maybe okay, I think I will have something. Okay, instead of this I'm going to have folder or a directory for features, and so for this I will do have two like feature details blade.php not, and features maybe, yeah, if there is any names you can just drop what we can like call this component right here. Yeah, any suggestions? Like, oh no, so I think we need like to come up with something. Features.blade.php, and really don't know what I can name this. Let's give it, for example, okay, let me just check something. So I need like, let's go, I will check a website. For example, I can get some inspirations. I can name this file. Or why don't go, for example, Tailwind UI, it will have, it has the components, and I can get name from it. Other. Blog section, theme section, content, about feature section. Yeah, they name it feature section. So for both, so I think we'll go with this. We'll keep okay, we will keep the same thing. So yeah, so for features, let's just come to the top. We do have first of all text. Yeah, like for example, let's make it span features, and we do have, let's wrap this in a div. Do have this title, and we'll name this and description. So this is what we need for the moment. Next, web features dot features, and we should have this down below. Yeah, we do have something here. So let's see, for example, let's go back to the feature component. For example, here we need class of text primary, and font semi-bold, and for this it's 36 semi-bold as well. So text, I think we need to have 4 XL for 36. Yeah, exactly. And font semi-bold as well, but let's check on the browser, because it doesn't make sense on yeah, okay. So this 20 regular, and okay, this color. So yeah, let's do something here. For example, text, I think XL task 20, and font, no, we don't need, it's by default. And I think we need text color. Here we go. And at the end we need to make this on the center as well. We need some padding, POI 24, and I think we need to make this on the middle, for example width or max width. How much space we do have here? So 7. So I think 3XL works fine. Exactly. DMX auto. So now we should see this content in the middle, as well should be centered by, like, for example, giving it text centered. It should be centered. Yeah. And we need some spacing between the content. For example, space y and give it 4. Here we go. Yeah, seems good so far, even though, like, we do have much space in here between this and this. Maybe we need, like, to give the brands some spacing. Okay, yeah, we need, like, to give it, for example, POI like 24, something like this. 24, and yep. So now we need, like, to go here and start this section. So we are not going, like, to build all this in a code. For example, what I mean is just replicating the code for the same thing. So what we are going to do here is, like, make something dynamic. For example, we will make the component for this, and we will give it, like, conditions. Either the image will be on the right or the left. So based on the data that we do have, we'll show the image in the proper position, and we will build, like, one component and just loop through the data that we do have. So we need, like, an array of data that I will build, of course. So, and just looping through the component and giving it the right data, so it will show the right thing. So for now, like, we need to build this one, and let's go from brand to feature. So that's what I have created, feature details. And we need, like, to go here, for example, and X web features feature detail. Change this down. It's correct. So I was looking for in the wrong place. Let's go with, for example, this static. Okay, we do have two sections here, one for the image, and it's for now, like, build. Let's do dev, like, pg primary. You can place this with an image, and we do have width of 40, for example. So let's do, for example, here with 70 and half 64. Yeah, even though this is not something, that will show the same size, or we can like hard code this. For example, we do have 670 pixel, and height we do have 512 pixel, and here we do have this icon. Yes, and if we export preview, for example, let's see the SVG and export this. This code has a lot of code. You can organize better the assets. For example, you can make a folder and go one by one. That's what I was like going to do in before the live. Just exporting all the assets, make file or directory with the assets, name them, and then you can just call the image tag or whatever. So you don't need like to paste all this code in a single place. So yeah, we do have the icon and the title. For example, we'll change this later on to the description, and we do have this list. I think this too needs to be dynamic. SVG and export check icon. So the easiest and fastest way to do it is this. So you list li, and I do have an SVG, P, for example, for this, and I mean just copy paste this again, and so this will go here and this will go here. So later on we can make this dynamic. We need just to make for now to show how this is looking so far. So we need like to design this component. So now we have put all the content and it will look like messy. So I think to give this, either we can go with grade, like making 2 calls, or we can go with flex and then order the components or the divs based on, for example, if it's left or if it's right. So there is something on Tailwind CSS called order. So yeah, you can like, for example, what you see here, for example, this one is on on the right, even though on the code it's on the first. So I think we may go with this. Yeah, So, and we will get the, let's go with flex for now. Flex item center. And we should have, yeah, we need first some spacing top and bottom, and as well this one should be on the end of the content. So POI, let's do something like 60, and okay, this one should be all right. So we do have the, okay, I think, yeah, here we need like to change this to be something like this. So how we can do this actually is, yeah, so since we do have the only component that has this, we need, I will just wrap, okay, this should be, and another div, so I will wrap this. And the coming divs will be the same as this one. It's duplication, but yeah, it gets things done. So you can, I don't think there is a better way like to do it. If there is some, you can just leave comment below, and yeah, appreciate it. So yeah, let's see what we have here so far. Okay, yeah, that's right. So I think we need to have padding on the content. For example, yeah, this one, we need to have some padding on the x-axis. Yeah, I think 16 will be good enough. I think px 16 will be good. Oh, done. So I see here on the quality of the video is bad. Okay, I see what Pradhan was, talking about. Let's how to stream. Help us make. No, thanks. I'm hurry. I need to get. Okay, I may. Okay, sorry guys. application. Yes, please stay up to date. Okay. Yeah, here is the Brio camera. Hello. Yeah. I think streaming. Add new camera mode. Yeah, I think it's better. Okay, it's good. So let me try to see if I can change the camera webcam from this to this. Yeah, done. I think this is display capture. Sorry guys, bear with me please. Just trying like to improve this since we are in 2 hours, so we can't like just continue without improve this since we are in 2 hours, so we can't like just continue without Okay, so I need, okay, looking how to stream with 4K in Streamlab. Recommendations, bitrate. Settings, output, bitrate should be 6,000. I do have right now 2,500. That's bad. And rate control. Why? Yeah, I think got the issue why we do have this bad stream. I can call it. Okay. But I think we can have, okay, recording, streaming. Okay. High picture quality. I think, sorry guys for this. Since we are like in 2 hours, let's take a break of 30 minutes maybe and come back, so we can continue on this. And as well, I can just take a look at what we do have or the setup. Maybe just I need like just to restart the streaming software, and then I can, everything will be like better. So I think let's have 30 minutes and come back. Okay guys, thank you guys. So yeah, I will end the stream right now and come back in 30 minutes.